How to fix and solve Snapchat games on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve your Snapchat games. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open settings of your phone, and then when it's opening, what you should do, just go to apps or applications, and you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. And now you will search just for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat, guys, just open it like this and go to storage and go to the last button, clear data, click OK, go back and click first tab and click OK. And then you have to update your Snap again on Play Store or App Store, and that's it. Your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.